What's up, everybody? We're here again tonight for the Spring Soiree 2015. We have this beautiful young woman right here.
Yes.
She want to tell us a little bit about herself and why she's here tonight.
Oh yes, my name is Janet, and I just want to give a shout out to my pastor and his lovely wife, and I'm happy to be here tonight because I just want everybody to know just how much fun you can have without the alcohol and the drugs and all. Wonderful, fun.
What's up, everybody? We're having a good time tonight, and we're here with this fine young man right here. He's going to tell us a little bit about himself and why he's here tonight.
Just to have some fun, socialize and exercise and dance a little bit. Dance with that lady right there.
There you go. All right. So why don't you tell us everybody who you are and where you're from?
Well, I'm Kevin Pugh. I'm from Pittsburgh, and my dad was former pastor here before Reverend Barr. Oh wow. So we moved here in '67 from New Jersey. And been here ever since.
Awesome. What's been your favorite part of the evening?
The dancing. The dancing, yeah. Then the food. No, I'm just kidding. The fellowship, first of all, is what it's all about. And so, this is nice.
Oh, you're out there cutting the rug. You dance a little bit, don't you?
I love to dance.
Yeah?
I love to dance. Good exercise and keeps the arthritis down.
All right, I heard that. We're glad to have you tonight. Glad you had a good time.
Great to be here.
Awesome. Macedonia Spring Soiree 2015.
Live.